Samsung Galaxy A12 comes with a large 6.5-inch screen and 4 rear cameras. Although the profile is among the larger models, the A12 contains all qualities of A series. The first things most noticed is that A12 has 8.9mm thick profile, which makes it one of the larger A series phone, which could be a problem for those with a smaller fist. The 6.5-inch screen offers 270 ppi of pixel density and about 400 nits of brightness. Also, the refresh rate of 60 Hz offers quite good transitions on the screen. The color range, although slightly simpler than newer models, still offers quite good sharpness and color fulfillment. Visibility outside in the sun, although the phone itself offers less brightness than the newer models, is still quite good. Like all new A models, the A12 has a USB-C type charger and 3.5mm audio output. Although it comes with Android 10 OS, the A12 has the option to be updated to the latest Android 11 One UI 3.1 upgrade that runs smoothly, offering a refreshing look of the interface and the apps, and it's very intuitively set. Camera-wise, the A12 offers as many as 4 back cameras and 1 front. With a main 48-megapixel back camera and 3 auxiliary ones, the A12 offers very sharp and rich photos, as well as its rivals due to the ability to switch between wide, ultra-wide, macro and depth camera. The front camera, although lower resolution than the rear, offers remarkably good selfie photos. The video resolution of both the front and the rear camera is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Also an advantage of this device is the capacity of its internal memory, which goes from 32GB with 2GB of RAM up to 128GB with 6GB of RAM, which gives many possibilities to the needs of the user. With the specs that A12 offers in this price range, this mobile phone is certainly proof that Samsung's A series offers great devices at an affordable price.